All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today we have another watch from Bernard H. Myers. This is the second one I've had in just a couple of weeks. We had the Power Master first on here, which is that really cool big dive style watch. This is a big watch, and this is in your dress style, and I'm really excited to take a look at this one. So I got a little postcard here that came out with it. They're 150 years this year, 2021. Also signed by the team over there at BHM. So hey guys, thanks a lot. That's really cool that you sent the card with it. Let's go ahead and get this opened up and check it out. Now, just like the Power Master first, you're going to have the big manual in here, and I do believe, like that one, this is going to cover a number of different languages as far as different movement types that they offer from the company out there. So that's great. Put it all in one book. Here's your information on the watch itself. The Mechanique in rose gold is the international guarantee. You guys can see all the information there about the guarantee. Also, this gives all the specification information on the watch. If you guys are interested, or if I happen to miss something, I would say pause it here and you can check that out. These are limited to 2,999 pieces. This one is number 1625. Inside of here, you get a little cleaning cloth. Comes with the watch, as you guys can see here. Nice clean BHM logo on it also. And this is kind of cool. This is your SOS quick watch guide in case you get your watch and you're not really sure how a mechanical watch, battery watch, any of that stuff works. This kind of gives you a guide just to make sure you're not having a problem with your watch. So very cool. Go ahead and get the box out of here. Nice lacquer box, very clean and nice looking box there. Let's go ahead and pop this one open and check out the Mechanique. Now this is the rose gold version. I'm not sure how many different colorways they have, but this is a really nice looking timepiece. There's a lot has gone into making this one, a lot of time, thought, process, and I think they've done a really wonderful job. I absolutely love the dial and the dial layout on this watch, and we'll get it up here a little bit closer and have you guys check that out. So it's a big watch. It comes in at 44 millimeters from side to side, which is huge for a dress watch, but we'll turn it over and look at the movement, and the movement has a lot to do with the size, but 44 millimeters from side to side. You have 54 from lug tip to lug tip, and you guys can see how long these lugs are, even with this crossbar feature they have inside of here. It comes in a nice, actually fairly thin 11.4 millimeters of thickness, which isn't too bad. Now, I did not measure the bracelet opening or the strap opening, so we'll go ahead and really quickly do that. It's going to come in at, I thought it would be about 24. So you got a 24 millimeter strap on this watch. It makes sense because it's big. Now, like I said, I want to bring it up here a little bit closer and show you guys the dial on this watch. I think the dial is absolutely stunning. You've got this beautiful white brushed sunburst effect that goes out on the dial, and it's just really beautifully done. Small seconds ticking away over here at the 9 o'clock position. I want you to note the applied indices on this watch on the dial, and I want you to note the applied minute indices all the way around there. It is absolutely beautiful and so well done. You also have your hands reaching all the way out there to those little indices. So it's just really well put together watch. Beautiful alpha hands on this watch. And just really everything you need, not anything you don't need. Just really well put together. The Bernard H. Meyer up there at the 12 o'clock position in the year they were made. The Mechanique down here at the 6 o'clock position. Swiss-made watch. Now, the strap on the watch is a leather. It's a alligator stamped, so this isn't actually alligator. It's just stamped or printed on there. You have a Deployant clasp with the Bernard H. Meyer logo on it. Very high quality, well made, as you guys can see here. Really nicely done. This is a top grain leather strap. And here's one of the most beautiful things of this watch. This is running the 6497 ETA movement inside of here. So it's a 17 joule. It's a low beat movement. I think it's around 18,000 vibrations per hour, which keeps it accurate enough. But the great thing about these movements is they just run forever. They're considered to be what people call tractor movements because they're just so sturdy and so well built and well put together. With this beautiful, there's a mineral case back here, but it looks beautiful. You can see those thermally blued screws, the jewels, and also I like the fact that they've applied the BHM logo there on the dial itself. You guys can see that. But really beautiful, well put together watch. Now, we're going to go ahead and pause it for just a minute here. Get this watch on my 7-inch wrist. And unfortunately, there is no lume on this, so we're not going to do a lume shot. But guys, I really think it's a absolutely good looking watch, beautiful watch. And if you are a bigger guy with bigger wrists, this watch is really going to be something for you guys to check out. So let's get it on my 7-inch wrist. All right, so here's the Mechanique on my 7-inch wrist. It is a big watch, 54 lug to lug and 44 side to side, but it doesn't feel big. Honestly, on the wrist, it actually feels nice. It fits me well. You have a sapphire crystal on top, of course, with an AR coating. But it is a very nice looking piece. This watch will be going over to Marshall Time here next for his take on the watch. But Guys, if you're interested in picking up a BHM Mechanique, I'll leave the links down below in the bottom for you to definitely check these things out. Great looking timepiece, very classy looking timepiece, and you can tell a lot of time and work has gone into making this a great looking timepiece. So, all right, guys, you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.